Tell us about what the biggest push is currently.
So as you rightly said, we've been one of the pioneering companies in this space. We started our EV journey when it was not fashionable to be an EV company. Today, of course, as you said, everybody is jumped onto the bandwagon, but there were more non-believers than believers when Kinetic Green began its journey. So we feel very proud that we've been able to contribute to this sector in creating that conviction in the minds of people and the society and the other stakeholders, in working closely with the government on the policy framework, in investing in Make in India for EVs much before, it became something which was adopted by everybody. So very happy to have had that opportunity to be doing something innovative, trailblazing, pioneering. And I feel that now as the sector is growing, I feel it's a great time for players like us. Because now we see that there is going to be a large scale. The automobile market in India is very large. As you know, we are the world's second largest two-wheeler market. We are the world's largest three-wheeler market, and these are going electric rapidly. So you don't have to create a new market. There is a disruption that's happening. It's like it took India 75 years for everyone to have landlines. Remember how we used to wait for STD calls and there were phone booths. And then within 5 years, everybody had a mobile. So all the people using landlines or telephones chose the new technology. And I think something similar is now happening, that there is a large automobile market. Where the world's third largest overall automobile market, and we're a large economy. And now people are choosing the new technology, and especially in the spaces we are in, which is two-wheelers and three-wheelers. It's rapidly going electric. So I think it's now a large, eminently scalable opportunity. So that's one thing I feel that, the time has come to really gain the momentum for everybody, including, of course, Kinetic Green. And we are very well positioned compared to most others. We've been there for last many years. We have the products, the engineering, the technology, of course, the brand, the distribution network, the manufacturing capacity. And we've also gone through the learnings. Every new technology has its own nuances, its own specific I would say, ways to deploy, the ways to use, and we have gone through that learning cycle. So we feel very well equipped to ride the wave, the positive momentum. And I think in a lot of unique ways, we are very unique. In a lot of ways, we are a very pedigreed automotive player. Kinetic has a great legacy in automobile business. I ran the ICE business also for the group for many years. We have a wonderful brand. On the other hand, we are a pure play passionate EV company.
Yeah.
That we have the focus. We don't have to think about what is our bread and butter. It's